Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Alternative number 1. Use a splatter screen. Soak 1 cup of rice for 2 to 3 hours or longer and drain it. Fill a large pot or deep pan with water and bring to a boil. Place the splatter guard over the pot. Once the water is boiling, turn down the heat to a simmer. Place the rice on the middle of the screen in an even layer. The 18th of January 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Problem: the rice is still very chewy or hard in the middle after the allotted time. Solution: add just enough water to create a little steam, 1/4 cup or less. Put the lid on and cook the rice on very low heat for another 5 minutes. Solution: uncover the pot and cook over low heat to evaporate the water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.